Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Helpful Solutions. Today we are comparing two processors, the AMD Athlon 2 X2 215 and Sempron 140. Now make sure to watch the video till the end to find out the key differences and which one might be the best option for you. And you will find link for both the processors in the description below. Now starting off with the main difference between these two is their CPU architecture. The Athlon 2 has dual cores with a higher performance, while on the other hand, the Sempron 140 is a single core processor. Now coming to the core count and performance, the Athlon 2 has two cores running at 2.7 GHz, providing the decent performance for the basic computing and light multitasking, while the Sempron 140 has one core at 207 GHz, which limits its multitasking abilities. Moving on to multitasking and efficiency, the Athlon 2 wins here in multitasking and running lightweight apps or older games as it has dual cores, while the Sempron 140 struggles with multitasking and modern apps due to its single core design. Moving further, talking about power consumption, both the processors have similar 45 watt TDP power consumption, but here the Athlon 2 still provides more power for the same energy uses than Sempron 140. Coming to the conclusion, the Athlon 2 X2 215 is meant for users who need better multitasking and can handle light gaming, while the Sempron 140 is for basic tasks like web browsing and document editing. But overall, the Athlon 2 is the better choice here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe for more such videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.